Hey, it's Jamie. Did you know that the system can run an A/B test for you with up to 5 different emails? Well, it can. With the Campaign Optimizer, the system can send up to 5 different emails to a portion of your audience to test which performs best. Then, it will send out the best performing email to the rest of your audience. First, name the campaign here. And then you can review and modify the contact list to ensure that the correct audience is going to be tested and sent the final email. Next, you can choose up to 5 emails you want to send to your test audience here. Then, here is where you will decide what percentage of the total audience will be your test audience. The system will randomly choose contacts from your audience, equal to this percentage, and then send each of them one of your defined test emails. You will use this field to tell the optimizer how long you want the system to wait, until it looks to see which of the test emails perform the best based on reads, clicks, and forwards. The system uses the lead scoring for these actions, so be sure to set those up in automation, lead scoring. Lastly, schedule when you want this campaign to begin. And click the launch button. Be sure to check out the help section for more information on this, and various other topics.